My name's Isaac, and I'm going to teach you all about the planets. The first planet from the sun is Mercury. It is the smallest planet and goes around the sun 88 days.
Okay.
88 days. And that's like 4 times smaller than a year on Earth. So it's like a quarter of a year. The second planet from the Earth is Venus. I learned in one of my books about planets that Venus is kind of like Earth's sister. The next planet is Earth.
Why is Venus like Earth's sister? Do you know?
Because it's kind of like just as big as Earth.
Okay, so it's kind of a lot like Earth.
Just as big as Earth,
okay.
But it has like stormy clouds.
Do you remember from your book what Venus smells like?
It smells like a rotten egg.
Alright, so what's next?
Earth. Earth is the only planet that has life on it, or that scientists know that has life on it.
Okay.
Next planet is Mars. Mars is kind of like compared to the moon. Scientists is figuring out that remember the like missions to the moon? They're gonna send missions to Mars.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
The next planet is a gas giant, Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. It's like 159,000 times as big as Earth.
Wow.
The next planet is Saturn. Do you know that Saturn has lots of rings around it? And you know what? Like 5 days ago, I learned that Saturn has a huge red ring around it.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
It has a huge red ring around it.
That's like, what's so special about the red ring?
Scientists figured out like 10 weeks ago.
Okay. Okay.
Kind of like, so
Is Saturn the only planet that has rings?
No. All the gas giants have rings.
All the gas giants, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's after Saturn?
Uranus. Uranus is kind of like, instead of flat rings, it has rings like this.
Really?
Yeah.
So what if the circle on your shirt was Uranus? How'd the rings go?
The rings used to be like this.
Okay.
Now they're like this.
So they go like up and down?
Up and down.
Why is that?
Because I don't know why. Maybe like a huge asteroid hit it, or maybe like Neptune or Saturn hit it like that.
Uh-huh. Huh. Alright, so what's after Uranus?
Neptune, the distant planet.
Okay.
From there.
Is there anything special about Neptune?
Neptune? Well, it's frigid cold.
Yeah.
And they have volcanoes there, but they don't explode lava. You know what they explode?
Chocolate milk?
Ice.
Well, that would be good to go in your chocolate milk.
That would be weird if it had ice in chocolate milk.
Alright, so what's next?
It would be pretty cool.
It would be pretty cool.
Now I'm going to teach you all about the dwarf planet.
Wait, you already taught us about 8 planets. There's more?
Yeah, there's 13 of them.
Okay.
There's one between Jupiter and Mars.
What's that one called?
Ceres.
Huh.
Scientists figured out that it could be the next planet that we could live on. Because Earth is like here, and the sun's right here, but there's 2 other planets there. The sun, when it forms into a red giant, it might go like this.
Oh, so like...
And then Earth would be dead.
So Earth would be gone, but Ceres wouldn't be gone?
Ceres wouldn't be gone. It would be like right here, and the sun will only go like there.
Oh, okay.
It'll come, and Mars is right here.
When is that going to happen? Is it going to happen before or after Christmas?
This year?
Yeah.
Like way after, like in like 4.5 billion years.
Oh, okay. So we don't have to worry about it this year.
No.
Okay. So what are the other dwarf planets?
The next one out is after Neptune in the Kuiper Belt.
Okay.
It's named Pluto.
Wait, I thought Pluto was a planet.
It used to be in 2001 to 1995.
Well,
But now it was a dwarf planet.
It's a dwarf
planet.
Okay.
But it's a dwarf planet.
Oh, okay. So do dwarfs live on it?
Huh?
Do dwarfs live on it, like Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs?
Nah. on. Snow White isn't a dwarf.
Oh, okay. So she couldn't live on Pluto.
No.
What about Pluto, like Mickey Mouse's dog?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. So are there any other dwarfs? We got Ceres and Pluto. Any more?
There's one out, like Haumea.
Haumea?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It is kind of like shaped like a football, kind of like an oval.
I think instead of Haumea, we should call that the Buffalo Bills planet. What do you think?
Why?
Because it's shaped like a football. All right. So what else after Haumea?
Make Make.
What? Say that again.
Make Make.
Wait. No. Wait. What is it?
Make Make.
Is it so nice they named it twice?
No.
All right. What is there anything special about Make Make?
It has carves on it.
What do you mean?
It has carves of the person that it's named after in my book, 13 Planets.
Oh, okay. So like the picture in the book has like a picture of Make Make on there, but not in real life.
Real life is. Really, there's a picture of it's carved on Make Make.
So like there are
Pictures of men on Make Make. It's very different planets. But it's not cold at all.
Why not?
It's like 432 degrees.
Like hot? Like,
very hot.
huh. Okay.
I don't know why.
Alright, we'll have to figure that one out.
Next one is Eris.
Eris?
Unlike the other planets like Pluto, instead of it's red.
Are you itchy?
Not really. Instead of red or like brown, it is gray.
Gray?
Mhm.
Why?
Because like
it sad?
it's so cold.
Oh, okay. So is that it?
Yep.
Okay, that sounds cool. Well, thank you very much, Isaac, for teaching us about the planets.
Do you want me to like classify the planets in its groups?
Sure.
So Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the terrestrial planets.
And what does that mean?
That means they have land on them.
Okay. So what other kinds of planets are there besides terrestrial planets?
There are the gas giants, with the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Okay, so they have gas.
They have gas and rings.
Okay. And then...
The dwarf
Oh, so
planets.
they all have gas and they all have rings.
Mhm.
Okay.
So, and then come the dwarf planets, which is Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Make Make, and Eris.
Okay. Why are they dwarf planets just because of their size?
Well, because they're like shorter than the other planets, and like...
So they're small, but they're also like shorter? What do you mean?
I mean, like, the other planets are like this big, they're like this big, shorter.
So like they're shaped differently?
Their shape is kind of the same.
Okay.
Haumea is kind of like shaped differently.
Cause like a football.
Yeah.
Okay.
But not like Jupiter, because Jupiter kind of like has a bulge in the middle, like this.
Why does Jupiter have a bulge in the middle?
I just don't know why.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. Do you want to remind everyone who you are and why, and who asked you to take this video?
So I am Isaac.
Okay. And who asked you to take this video?
My dad,
Well,
Gregory.
yeah, well, yeah, but who asked me to have you to take this video?
Your teacher.
Oh, but like, who is she?
Courtney Warnell.
Courtney Warnell, and who is she to you?
Miss Courtney.
No, like, what do you
Courtney.
call her?
Courtney.
Yeah, is she your
Aunt.
aunt? Okay. Do you want to say bye-bye to Aunt Courtney before we turn this off?
Bye, Aunt Courtney.
See ya.